guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be taking up airbrushing. I'm going to start producing some videos on airbrushing in the very near future. I'm still getting stuff together. I've never ever done any airbrushing, so I just thought for a laugh I'll video myself having my first attempt at airbrushing and see how well or bad it goes. But this is a piece of kit that I bought to organise the paints and stuff that I'll be using. I've got a drawer which I'm putting everything into at the moment, and I think I've near enough got everything now. I'm just waiting for one more thing. But this is an item that I bought, and basically it makes a shelf unit which has a couple of drawers, and you've got space on the top for quite a few different pots of paint. And so we're going to unpack this and we're going to have a go at putting it together to see how difficult it is. So I'll just grab a knife. Right, so we've got our instructions in the top. Basically it's 3-ply, looks like plywood, just 3-ply, and we've got a lot of pieces, so let's get them out, kind of lay them out so we can see what we've got. I'm guessing this must be for the step up at the back, and we've got a couple of sides, so push those over there. There's a couple of little pieces of where they've punched it out, so we've got 2 of those, another one of those, some more pieces dropping out. So this is just a little back or something, I'm not sure, so we'll pop that one there. And then we've got 2 of those, we've got those there, and then this is our top pieces with the different size holes for paint, and there's another one, so we're going to probably use those last. And then we've got one solid piece which will be part of the bottom, and nearly there. Right, so we've got another piece with the holes in for the paint, and then we've got another piece there which is going to be with the top or the bottom. So I'm not sure how these are held together, whether they just slot together. I'm assuming it does, because there's no mention of glue of any description. So we've got all of our pieces there, so I'm hoping that we've got all of that. So let's turn over. So the first step, move these out of the way for a minute. So the first step here looks like this piece, which will go that way, and then this piece here, which will slot in there. Quite a tight fit actually, that's what she said. Come on, in you go. Wow. Oh, didn't expect them to fit together that tight. That's a pretty good fit. So there we go, we got that one. Then, so 5 is the bottom, but I think that's the wrong way around. I think it goes that way. So these pieces here locate into the back. So let's see if we can get those in. Like that, and we'll pop those in. Right, that's looking a little bit more like something. very flimsy at the moment. So the second one is number 4, which is this one. So this one slots in all the way back. Again, they're very, very tight. So let's see if we can get this sucker in. Right, so there we go. To stay together. So we've got that one in, and then we want number 3, which is this one. I don't think it has a particular way up to go. So we'll pop this started. So we are getting close. So far, let me get this out of the way. So far, we have this. So we need the ends. So next, we need the drawers being made. So we need number 8, which are these two, which is the 2 ends. So it seems to be. It's not too bad, I think. I'll get some wood glue to assemble that. So we want number 9s, which are these 2, and we want 10s, which are the ones with the slots in the bottom for the size of that. This table has actually got a bit of a bow in it, so it's allowing this bottom piece to drop. So the last 2 pieces, it wasn't that hard actually to put together. I expected it to be worse, but I will get some wood glue on this just to make it just that little bit more sturdy. I don't want to pick it up when it's fully laden and for the whole thing to fall apart and chuck all my paints everywhere. Oh, come on. So there we go. And there we have it. So you can see this table is really uneven. I do have these paints here. So if these, yep, they will stand in there, no problem. So this one is just white acrylic. This one is cobalt blue. This one is a gloss varnish, and this one is mother of pearl. You can't really see it through these bottles, but that's 3 that I will be spraying. So I'm going to stop this video here and have a little look and see what other paints I can find, and then we'll come back. So there we go, guys, that's some of the bits and pieces I've got, some different coloured paints. I've got the little pots for one of my airbrushes there to fill with paint, and this is paint that I've got to paint an RC car with. It's supposed to be colour change blue, but it doesn't look very blue to me, but you know, we'll see how it goes when it's on. And these are just some random colours I picked up. It's just a little pack of 4, and then obviously you've got the little drawers to put some bits and pieces in. So overall it's not the strongest, you know. This one here for some reason won't go through. It seems to be slightly fatter than the rest of the bottles, so I've got to sit him in a bigger hole because he won't go through any of these. I don't know why. All the others have gone in fine. So yeah, so there we go. That's just a quick look at this little storage unit. I got it on eBay. I'll put a link for it down below. I think it was about 16 or 20 quid, but obviously I'll put the link and you can go and have a look yourself. And there is quite a good range of these sort of units. You can get corner ones to go on if you're pushing it into the corner of the room, and they do these in different designs. You can also get wall fitting ones that you can put up on the wall. I would recommend a little bit of wood glue when assembling it. This way I'll just take the sides and the bottom off and just re-glue those, because I think as long as these sides don't come off in the bottom, I think you're good to go. I don't think anything else is going to fall apart, so maybe the drawer may need a bit of work, but I've got some brushes in the back and they do have holes that go all the way through. You can see with that one it goes right down into the bottom so it can't fall over. So I've got a range of brushes in there. So yeah, I think it's going to work out for what I want once it's got a bit of glue. So if there's anything you're interested in, you know, maybe something worth picking up just to keep your stuff organised, stop it getting in a mess, and you'll know where everything is whenever you want it. So please like, share and subscribe. If you've got any comments about these, if you've got any experience with them, good or bad, you know, stick a comment down below. And I thank you for sticking to the end if you've watched it this far, and I will see you guys in the next one.